The largest 5 digit and smallest 5 digit numbers formed by using the digits 40375 each only once are respectively. R means you have to use these digits only one and then find the largest number and the smallest number. To get the largest number, always do the simple trick. Bring all the bigger numbers towards the left and start from that. 7 is a big, then lesser number is 5, then 4, then 3, then 0. Then it becomes largest. Now smallest, you can, if you think, bring the smallest over here. But if you bring 0 over here, then it doesn't remain the 5 digit. It becomes 4 digit number. So bring second least, that is 3. And then bring 0 over here, then again the small, then big, then big. So this is the largest and this is the biggest. Answer is B. Answer cannot be A because in this it becomes a 4 digit number. It is not a 5